Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to set up a Revolut premium account. It's gonna be a really quick video, and if you're wondering how to set up a Revolut premium account, then this video is for you. Let's get straight into it. The first step is to log into your Revolut account, and then once you're logged into your account, you want to navigate to the profile section. Next, you want to tap upgrade to premium, and then you can go through the available premium plans and select the best one for you. And once that's done, you want to confirm the upgrade and of course pay the monthly fee. So once that's done, you're gonna get your premium Revolut accounts. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a Revolut premium account. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.